Hi guys, welcome to Market News and Updates. I'm your host Omi. Welcome to OMIMIZ YouTube channel. Today we're gonna be discussing what are the news and updates in the market. Is BTC looking for a 51, 53,000, or we're gonna have a massive dump coming soon? Let's watch this in today's video. कभी कभी हमारे साथ ऐसे होता है वी कीप मनी समवेयर एंड देन वी फॉरगेट इट. ढूंढने की भी बहुत कोशिश करते हैं बट उस जगह में वो चीज मिल नहीं रही होती. Something similar probably has happened with this guy here. Dormant Bitcoin wallet holding 321 Bitcoin activated after 8 years. This is amazing. After one reason or another, the wallet has now transacted for years despite having what is considered life-changing money. And if you're looking for a sign, in 3, 2, 1, a dormant address containing 321 BTC valued at 15,103K has just been activated after 8.8 years, which was worth at 6,594 USD in 2013. So whoever owns this wallet must be very, very happy, and whatever he wanted to do with this money and this investment, I'm 100% sure he's achieved that, because today BTC is about 49,000 and his purchase amount was about something like 6,400. That is one hell of a story, and I'm sure the guy's gonna be very, very happy right now.
पैसा ही पैसा होगा.
जैसे कि हम सबको पता है ऑलरेडी, आजकल मेटावर्स एंड प्ले टू अर्न गेम्स के इर्द गिर्द there's so much hype and everybody wants to be part of some sort of metaverse if they can. Everybody is trying to say यार ये वाला प्रोजेक्ट तो सबसे अच्छा है, यार ये वाला प्रोजेक्ट तो उससे भी अच्छा है, and there's a rat race going on to tell that your project is one of the best in the world. But let's figure out how enterprises are getting affected from it. Blockchain enables enterprise business model in the metaverse. Here's how blockchain is currently being used to create business models in the metaverse, achieving efficiency and cross compatibility with the real world. Enterprises need to be interacting with the outside world and will therefore be forced to have an ecosystem in the metaverse. For example, consumers want to use loyalty programs outside of single platform, so they will be more likely to choose brands that ensure rewards that can be used within other ecosystems. The metaverse allows for data, physical assets, commercial and financial assets to be in a layer outside of a centralized environment. So in a way, it's gonna help a lot of brands as well. And obviously for brand, what matters the most is brand loyalty. They want to be there for in every space that is possible for their consumer, so the consumer feels like that, wow, my brand is everywhere, it's so popular, I can buy anything anywhere I want, this is the best brand in the world. So that is a very good idea to give its consumers the vibe, so they can always be having some sort of a rewarding incentive there. Metaverse for enterprises. Digital identity will transcend the digital and physical worlds. For example, a digital wallet will contain a bank account, mortgage information, tokens, NFTs, and more. But a decentralized identity will also have access to those credentials, allowing individuals to participate in the metaverse and in the physical world. Yes, that is what we're expecting from Web 3.0. This is made possible because you have a metaverse of companies with data coming in, and that is verified by a broader network. The fact that is can happen in the metaverse demonstrates that business to consumer transactions can become inexpensive and accessible to anyone in the world. So technology isn't an issue, but it will make more time getting people to wrap their heads around what blockchain does and how this can compare with old-fashioned enterprise resource planning systems. Finding avalanches can be a big challenge for adoption in terms of blockchain being applied in the metaverse. Overall, if we look at it, there's so much FOMO right now from institutions, companies, enterprises that they want to enter into these Web 3.0 metaverses that everybody's been buzzing about. Considering what they had to say in this article, it looks like that there is a massive FOMO that we hadn't seen, that why they want to come in here, because they want to provide interoperability, bring a Web 3.0 into an infrastructure where a person can from his MetaMask wallet play a metaverse game and as well do some bank transactions, and also having some mortgage or his personal financial information in that MetaMask wallet. All this is going to be integrated, bringing all the enterprises and the consumer into a very efficient world. Hopefully all this works out and all these big companies don't start making monopolies and censoring people in these spaces. That's all for our news for today. Let's see what's happening in our charts and technicals. और आज हम फिर देखते हैं, are people scared or we're gonna be having greed? Wow, we're out of fear levels. especially from our 20s. We had a nice pump from 27, which I have been telling you guys for a very, very long time. If you even go see our previous episodes, we keep saying 26, 28, 27 are the best places for the fear to be bouncing from, and now we're already at 45. A 50 will be very nice because usually from a 50 we can have a bounce back down, or we can get into our green zones where the market becomes greedy and extremely greedy. This is very good for the market. We have had nice flip. I'm looking for BTC to close somewhere around 50, 51 today. Let's see what's happening in coin market cap. If we look at our dominance, it's at 40.6 and Ethereum's dominance at 20.9. As we've discussed, we are in the fourth cycle of BTC's dominance relationship, where BTC's dominance keep going down, BTC's price goes up, and all coins also move very, very fast towards up. If we look at the global crypto market cap, we're back at 2.31 trillion, which is a very, very comfortable zone for BTC. Spends a lot of time here in the last few months. 2.17% increase over the day, and overall market looks all right. We can expect it to be pretty much green and having a very nice momentum as well. We can also expect some coins to be having a pullback because it's been more than 48 hours that the market has been flipping. So some of them are definitely going to be losing some steam and gas, which we can see as well. Let's see the ones that are winners in the last 24 hours. जिनने सबसे ज़्यादा gain हासिल किया and they have helped their buys as well. IOTA, MIOTA 15% up. Curve Dow is up 15%. Terra Luna just made a new all-time high. It's at 14%. Cosmos at 12% up. Mainly all the tokens that we discuss almost every other day are the coins that are in massive gains, and it's good to see that we have some people who are above 15% and also 10%. This shows you that the market has a very good momentum right now. If we only had a coins which were at 7%, 5%, that means we had a chance of a strong pullback coming anytime. But a 15% to 16% momentum gives you an idea that the market is looking for a bigger upside yet to come. Let's see which are the ones जो कुछ नहीं कर सके in the last 24 hours. We have Yearn Finance, we have Decreed, we have Mondio, PancakeSwap, DAI, EGLD, but we can't really say EGLD has been down in 7 days about 11%. Otherwise we have stable coins, which shows the market is all right. If we look at our RWEAV is up 48% in the last 7 days, but as for today, it's just been sideways. It doesn't not having much bounce or not even having much of steam right now, but we do expect it to flip very, very soon. Let's jump into our charts and see कि charts में क्या चल रहा है. Let's start with our total. We look at our total has a massive rejection as well, about at $3 trillion. We want to break out from here very, very soon, which is gonna be about let's just say 2.4 trillion to make it easy to round off the number, but it's going to be about 2.337. If we look at USDT's dominance, it has been pretty much in downtrend again as the market has flipped. लोगों का वापस से confidence Bitcoin और coins में वापस जा रहा है and dollars में से निकल रहा है, and as we know why this all is happening, because United States have extended. They are going to be giving more tax help and gonna be giving its citizens more assistance with from free checks from the government until March 2022. And if we look at BTC's dominance is also in a very strong downtrend. As we discussed, we are in the fourth cycle of BTC.D relationship. अगर हम Ethereum की dominance को देखें, Ethereum's dominance has been very good in also sideways position, just consolidating in these zones. Market is right now controlled more by altcoins. All the altcoins are dominating right now. As we can see, their dominances are pretty much high. Solana is 2.3% up and Luna is 5.77% up. So I've added Luna today to our list because it deserves to be there. Now it controls 1.51% of the market as well. If you look at Bitcoin's chart in the last 24 hours is nearly now making support over this falling channel. Overall, it looks very, very good. We have a nice W pattern right now in play. Hopefully we're gonna break out of this and sometime later today be around this zone 50-51, and this will be very, very nice. If we just rock past it in a very, very nice momentum, that would be the best situation possible. If we look at ETH's dominance, ETH's chart, ETH USDT, ETH also looks pretty well. It is a high chance it can come back into trend. Trend line is not pretty far. It's only 4,200. It's already trading at 4,056. So about $180 more and it can come back into the trend, or at least start testing the trend line. If we look at Luna in the last few hours has been blasting off. We discussed even yesterday that we can expect Luna to easily be somewhere around $100. It's already very close to the $100. Yesterday went to 88 and now it has already made a high of 94. So Luna looks pretty good. I still expect Luna can come back sometime here, maybe get some support or even somewhere here. $10 below 94.84 and then head higher again. Luna is in a very good uptrend, so we have no issues with Luna at this moment. GRT also had a very nice pump yesterday. Now it's coming back as discussed yesterday, that is going to come back and build support at our support box, and our target for JRT was 7.556. We have nearly reached our target. Matic is also another coin that's performing really well. Matic is almost very close to its all-time high, and at the moment it's making a very nice cup, which I feel in the few hours might turn into this, and then we can have a massive breakout coming in Matic as well, breaking its all-time high, which we've been expecting for some time now, and it looks possible finally now. Inchcoin is also doing pretty well. Inchcoin is having a very nice upside coming in. Rune again has picked up some nice momentum, bouncing off from my support box, which it has done in the previous history as well, as we can see here, and obviously the rally started from the support box. CRV, another coin that is having a very nice upside coming right now, probably going to be challenging its all-time high of 6.433 very soon. It's already at about $5, just $1 more to go. If you look at Mana, Sandbox, Mobox, everything is pumping pretty much right now in the market. Everything looks very bullish. Just be careful while trading into these markets. Keep an eye on the dominance, as we keep saying that we are in BTC's dominance fourth relationship, where BTC's dominance will go down or remain sideways, and we're gonna expect BTC's price and altcoins price to move up drastically. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you liked today's video. If you do, smash the like button, share your thoughts in the comment section, and subscribe to my channel. And take care, guys. That's all. Bye bye.